In the realm of smart home cleaning, the Shark AI Ultra stands out as a powerhouse, promising an unparalleled cleaning experience that goes beyond the ordinary. This review aims to dissect the features that make the Shark AI Ultra a game changer, from its matrix clean navigation to its self-emptying capability, all designed to elevate your home cleaning routine. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. Powerful suction for a spotless home. Let's start with what matters most: cleaning power. The Shark AI Ultra boasts Shark's powerful suction, ensuring that no dirt or debris is left behind on any floor type. From stubborn messes to everyday dust, this robot vacuum tackles it all. It's not just a cleaner, it's your reliable partner in maintaining a spotless home. Matrix Clean Navigation. Precision redefined. Matrix Clean Navigation sets the Shark AI Ultra apart, providing a deeper clean with no spots missed. Picture a precision matrix grid, and the robot moves strategically, taking multiple passes over dirt and debris. This isn't random cleaning. It's a methodical approach to ensure every inch of your home receives the attention it deserves. 60-day capacity bagless base. Effortless maintenance. The self-emptying feature of the Shark AI Ultra is a game changer. The bagless base can hold up to 60 days of dirt and debris, eliminating the hassle of frequent emptying. Say goodbye to traditional auto-empty robots that require additional disposal bags. The Shark AI Ultra simplifies maintenance for a stress-free cleaning experience. Precision home mapping. Intelligent navigation. Equipped with 360-degree LiDAR vision, the Shark AI Ultra maps your home accurately. This precision home mapping ensures the robot navigates your space with adaptability, detecting and avoiding objects effortlessly. Day or night, it takes care of your home with an intelligent approach, adjusting to changes seamlessly. Perfect for homes with pets. Anti-hair wrap design. For pet owners, the struggle against pet hair is real. The Shark AI Ultra addresses this with its self-cleaning brush roll, designed to pull up debris, hair, and dirt from all surfaces. The anti-hair wrap feature ensures that the vacuum doesn't just clean. It does so without getting tangled in pet hair. In conclusion, the Shark AI Ultra self-emptying robot vacuum transcends the conventional cleaning experience. With powerful features like matrix clean navigation, self-emptying capability, and precision home mapping, it's not just a vacuum. It's a smart investment in a cleaner, more efficient home. Click the link in the description below to explore the full product specifications and discover why the Shark AI Ultra is the next frontier in home cleaning. Embrace a new era of hands-free, intelligent cleaning with the Shark AI Ultra. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.